Kay Amir. Hindi, mas mataas ka kay Amir kapag ka nabuhat mo yung bench press. Ay kapag ka may bench press ka. Hindi lang kasi pumantay yung dalawa. Pero kapag ka pumantay yun, pasok.
How much you bench?
Come on, Amir.
Huh? No. That, what you can.
Yes. One go. Yeah. Slowly.